Over the years, Sarah and I have watched a lot of home renovation shows, and they always start off kind of the same way. You get introduced to a couple, and they come on and they complain about their house. They don't like the basement, it's too dark, or the kitchen's too small, or the garage is full of junk because they don't have enough storage, and it's too dark, and they'd rather have it more open plan, and they get whining and whining and whining about why they don't like the house that they're in. Oftentimes, though, the conversation changes when a contractor comes in and says, "What do you like about this house? Why did you buy it in the first place?" And then the people remember, actually, we did like some things about this place. We loved the big backyard, and we liked the location, and whatever else they liked about the house. Whenever I do marriage counseling, which isn't very often, my goal is always to get to that question. I want to listen to what their problems are and where they are right now, but I always want to ask the question, what did you like about each other when you got together? What drew you together in the first place? Because here's the thing, especially if you've been with someone for a long time, or if you've been somewhere for a long time, it's easy to see the flaws. And it's easy to focus on the things you don't like. That's true of just about anything. You can complain about your job if you want to. You can complain about the city you live in. You can gripe about your marriage or your friends. You can complain about the church you attend and the people you attend it with. Or you can remember why you love your job and why you even took that job in the first place. You can remember why these people are your friends and gather up your love for them. You can remember why you actually married that person and think about their good qualities. You can think about all the nice things your church has done for you and all the good people that are there. You can think about their good qualities. I love that example from the Apostle Paul. When he writes to the churches, he often starts by saying, "I thank the Lord for you." In fact, one of the places you see this is in 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 4. He says, "I always thank God for you because of his grace given to you in Christ Jesus." I don't know what you know about the church in Corinth, but it was the worst church that Paul dealt with. They were always giving him trouble. They were always arguing with him. They didn't even really like him. It didn't matter, though, because Paul said, "I'm not thinking about those things. I'm thinking about the fact that I am thankful for you. I love you. You are my brothers and sisters in Christ, and I am going to choose how I feel about you, regardless of how you feel about me." It's a very simple switch in our mind. It's a short little sentence, but it makes all the difference in the world. Rather than thinking about what you dislike and what you wish was different, and the things that annoy you, you can choose to look for the things that you love, the things that are great, the things that make you smile. In any situation, you have that choice. May we be the people who say, "I am so thankful for you."